melanoma.
And I'm bulimia.
Hi. And we fresh off Power Summit with our cousin Melania telling us how to lock down a billionaire. She's saying #1 tip is
Do not emasculate him by
him.
bringing up things such as
His wife waiting at home for him.
Obamacare,
Or his inauguration.
wiretapping.
Things that bumps us out. Because the reason is, if he gets bumming out, he's not going to marry you.
No, better to say things nice like, you're so impressive, you really impress me. Say things like, talk about things like ice cream and blowjobs.
Then when you marry the billionaire, you get your own tower in another state anyway. You say whatever you want.
Whatever you want.
Good luck. We believe in you.